35,000 word scholarship is sponsored by government to engineering, medical, undergraduate, postgraduate, agriculture, diploma and students of class 12. To know more details about this scholarship, keep watching the video till then. The prize money scholarship aims to support the students who face the financial constraints to continue with their higher education. The government provides this scholarship to empower the deserving students to continue with their education. The application process is open now and eligible students are encouraged to register online. After completing the application form, applicants need to take the printout and submit along with the relevant documents to the Social Welfare Department district office in their district during the financial year. Let us understand the different prize money for the varied courses like PUC and diploma student can get a 20,000 worth prize money and 25,000 is reserved for undergraduate students in any stream. 30,000 is reserved for postgraduate students like MA, MSc, MCom and more. 35,000 prize money is reserved for agriculture, veterinary, engineering, medical and many more. Not only this, we have multiple active scholarships on our portal, the Global Scholarship, link in description box. Wait. Not only scholarship information, we are also coming up with internship opportunities on your demand. Go and check now. To apply this prize money scholarship, you need the following documents like Aadhaar card, passport size photograph, bank passbook, income caste certificate, SSLC mark sheet, educational certificate and mobile number. Guys, please hit the like button which motivates us to create more videos on scholarship and internship. For a quick update, follow us on Instagram. Now hit the link mentioned in the description box which will redirect you to the application. Click on the online application form and there will be redirected to one more small form where you need to fill out your SSLC details like board of SSLC, year of passing, registration number, caste and name as per the Aadhaar card. Click on the submit button, then you need to fill out the further details. So let's provide the personal details like RD number of the caste which is mandatory, caste and subcaste details you need to provide. After that you need to provide the details like date of birth, gender, subcaste, annual family income and permanent address. After that you need to provide the email ID information, that is optional but 10-digit mobile number is mandatory. Then you need to provide the scholarship ID which is been issued by Social or Tribal Welfare Department and you need to answer whether you are a physically challenged, yes or no. Now let's provide the details about college and the course details. You need to select the type of the college, whether you are studying in CBSE, Karnataka board or other state board. Then you need to provide the details like district or the taluka you belong to and select the college and along with the course you are studying in. And next provide the detail about completion of the course in 2023 academic year or not. Then you need to provide the details about your exam registration ID. Now provide the detail about the course discipline, combination or the specialization and you need to provide the detail like select your course type like CGPA or percentage. Then provide the detail like what percentage you have secured, total number of marks and total number of marks obtained. If you need alerts on scholarship and internship, you need to upgrade it to plus. Not only alerts, you will also get a guidance from the expert. Even you will get a statistics of the scholarship like how many are matching up with your profile, how many you have applied and what are the chances you have winning a particular scholarship. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade now for only $599 and the best part is this service is for lifetime, that is till you complete your education. Now let me come back to the video where you need to provide the very important detail that is about the bank details, where you need to provide the branch, bank, district you belong to, address, IFSC code, account holder name and the bank account number. Please double check all the bank details once again before you submit the application. Now you need to upload the documents like your passport size photograph, income caste certificate and last examination mark sheet. Then you need to click on the self declaration that above given all information are true and you need to click on the submit button. Once you click on the submit button, you need to take the printout of this application and attach all the necessary documents which I have mentioned earlier and you need to submit the hard copy of the application to Social Welfare Department of District Office. Now the question is who is eligible for this scholarship? Applicant must be the permanent resident of Karnataka. This scholarship is open for both the genders. Applicant must have enrolled in any recognized university. Previous education qualification should be passed in the first attempt. Student must apply for this scholarship after completing the current professional course. Applicant must have achieved the degree in the first attempt like SSLC, PUC, diploma, degree, post-graduation or any professional classes. No income limit deduction for the prize money. Applicant must belong to SC/ST family. Students who have recently completed their education in diploma, engineering, medical, agriculture, veterinary, undergraduation and post-graduation courses in various fields are eligible for this scholarship. For more information about scholarship and internship, visit the Global Scholarship.